Hi everyone, here we've got REALME C3 and let me share with you how to turn on or off the watermark and actually how to customize it. So firstly we have to enter the camera app, and since you are on the photo mode we can tap on this 3 bars icon in the right upper corner. Now let's enter the settings, let's tap on it, and as you can see in the photo section we've got the watermark option at the very bottom of this section, which is right now turned off, so simply tap on it, and in order to turn it on actually just tap on the switcher at the very bottom of at the very top, and here we've got the phone model option, so it means that the watermark will be simply actually a phone model of this device, but under it we've got also the author, so we can tap on it and here you can customize it. So here you can enter, for example, your name, surname or the company name. So let me enter the HardReset.Info and confirm it with OK. As you can see, it immediately appears right here. What's more, we can turn on the date and time, so it's really up to you if you want to set it. I will leave it like this in order to show you. Right now we can go back to the camera and let's take a photo and check. So let's tap on the shutter button. We just took a photo, so let's tap on this small preview in order to check. And as you can see here, we've got 2 actually watermarks. In the left corner we've got our watermark, which we just customized. So at the very top we've got all triple camera, and under it we've got shot by HardReset.Info, so we've got our customized watermark, and in the right corner we've got the date and time where and when the photo has been taken. Obviously you can turn it off whenever you want just by tapping on this 3 bars icon, entering the settings and tapping on the watermark. Just tap on the switcher here. You can also turn off date and time, and since now the watermark is off. So actually that's all. This is how to turn on, off and customize, so actually how to manage the watermark in your REALME C3. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.